Why buy a new car when this gorgeous Challenger has only 2k miles? Beautiful inside and out, this Challenger has been very well maintained. Don't let someone else beat you to it. Schedule your test drive today. All vehicles come with a Vehicle History Report. PL104